Hello friends, I welcome you to a presentation on Advanced Document Management 1.0 by Hardik Printers on Tally.ERP9 platform. Let us walk through to configure the product ADM 1.0 and check out its advantages and benefits. At Gateway of Tally, press F12, select Products and Features and press F4. Set Load TDLs on Startup to Yes and give the path of the TDL or TCP file. Save. Done. Now we are ready to use Advanced Document 1.0. Now let us create one company and use ADM 1.0. At Gateway of Tally, press F11 Features, press F6 Add-on Features. Set Yes to activate file attachment. On setting this to Yes, Tally will prompt 5 questions. First question, default path to copy files to. This folder will be used as the parent folder where all the files will get nested properly. ADM 1.0 will automatically create a folder with company name under this folder. On attaching the first file, user may set any path, even shared or cloud folder, subject to sharing permissions for the said folder. If no path is given, then by default ADM 1.0 will point to the application path of Tally.ERP9. Now you may give names of folders to keep ledger, stock item and documents separately. If these are kept blank, then the files will reside under company folder directly. Finally, the last question, export and zip with all attachments. Set this to yes and save the screen. Now we are all set to reap the advantages of Advanced Document Management 1.0. Now let us create a ledger. On creating a ledger, at the end of the screen, we get the option to attach documents. We may add a description for the file. Left click on browse. The browser window appears, using which we can select any file to attach it to the ledger. The file gets automatically copied to desired path, company name, master type and master name folders. Let us check the folder where the file has got copied. On opening the folder, we can see that the file has got copied. After the file has been successfully copied, we get two more options. Delete. Left click go and the file opens up in its default application. Left click delete and the file will be physically deleted from the folder or hard disk. User may add n number of attachments to a master or voucher. Now let us create a stock item. On creating a stock item, we get an additional option to add images for the stock item apart from the documents. When an image is attached to an item master, on displaying or altering the same item master, the said images are made visible at the bottom of the screen. This image gets copied to a separate folder named logo nested under the stock item name folder. You may add further images as attachments following the same process as we had done for ledger master. You may note that ADM 1.0 automatically creates the folder desired path, company name, master type, master name for documents, and for logo, desired path, company name, master type, master name, logo. You may browse and check the file structure. Every attachment gets sorted so brilliantly that it becomes very easy to find. You may add documents like PAN card, agreements, copies or any other document. ADM 1.0 not only attaches the documents but also helps you to open the files when required from within the Tally.ERP9 application. Now let us create a voucher similar to masters. On attaching a document to any voucher, ADM 1.0 will automatically create folders named with voucher, voucher type name and voucher number. Similar to master, you may open the attachments directly from the voucher. You may also delete the attachments from within the voucher. Also, when a voucher is exported to any of the default available formats like Excel, PDF, JPG, etc., ADM 1.0 automatically creates a folder named zip files and creates a zip file named zipped output.zip, which will contain the default exported file plus all the attachments attached in the voucher. and then opens the zip file for you. Let us export and see this in working. On processing the export request, all the files get added to the zip file as messages. All the reports, the daybook, group vouchers, group voucher report, ledger group outstanding report are also enhanced by ADM 1.0 to display all the attachments directly. Just press F12 at report level and set the option show attachments to yes. User may just press enter on any of the attachments and they will open up in its default application. No need to find any attachment. Administrators may also use security controls to allow or disallow options to attach, open or delete files. The user to whom these options are disabled will not get the specified option. Summing up, we thank you for the time allocated to us to explain the benefits of Advanced Document Management 1.0 by Hardik Printers on Tally.ERP9 platform. Thank you.